When I first seen this truck when it was done, it just stood out. It was so different at the time and everything, and it just popped, and I fell in love with it right away. When it come up, the opportunity to be able to get it, I was pretty excited to be able to get it and actually get it out and go in it. It was a neat thing to do. I'm Greg Wertz. I'm now based out of Plainville, Kansas. I'm originally from Bedford, Pennsylvania. We're in the livestock business. We've done that now for probably 25 years. We do all 48 states. Most of my stuff is in the west, southwest, out to California and stuff like that. Mostly cattle. We'll do maybe 4 or 5 loads of pigs for myself a year, but it's not a whole lot. But it's mostly cattle. A lot of calves. We still do some fat cattle myself personally, but it's a lot of calf work. The truck behind me is a 2007 379. It's been a great truck. It's been a fun truck to own. We've run it now. When we got it, it was 300,000 miles, I think, somewhere right in there. We got 2 million on it now. Other than that, we've just done a couple little things to change it. We changed the stripes on the hood and some little things like that. But for the most part, I really liked the truck when it was originally done, and it was just something that was always a favorite of mine. And to get the chance to wind up having it run it, like I said, it's been a great treat to have. Yeah, it basically has an ISX in it with an 18-speed. We did go to what they call a QSX, but it's an ISX with the 18-speed in it. Most everything in the interior was done when I got it. We've done a couple little things, but not much. Like I said, the truck was kind of a package deal. It was one of them jump in and go. When I needed to get a truck, it was something you're either going to build it or get something, and this truck was pretty much everything I wanted. So, yeah, I just jumped in it and went.
What was your first reaction when you got that call that they wanted you to come out and bring your truck?
My first comment to Matt Carnegie was who invited me. My first comment to Matt was, "Have you seen my truck?" It does have some battle scars. It surely does. It works. But it's a heck of an honor. It's a great thing. It's something I never, goes on, but it's something that you don't ever think you're going to get the nod for. But it's great to be recognized. It's humbling to realize that people think of you that way. And I don't know, it's big for me. It's big because me and my wife have talked about it countless times, and I said, this isn't about me. I said, it's about, what my grandfather went through to get started and what he built. And then it's the long days and nights of me and my dad laying on a concrete floor working on trucks and stuff, So it's not about me. It's humbling because it's been a family venture for a long time, and I don't know, it's neat to get the odd for yourself, but you realize it's for so many more. Yeah.